All right, so now we're going to look at organizing continuous data. So with continuous data, we have many possible values. And when we have many possible values, we organize the data into intervals, which are called classes. Okay, so here it's gonna be a frequency table. It's not always called a frequency table, it pretty much is. But instead of having an actual value here, so here I have divorce rates per 1,000 in the year 2011. All right, so I'm still gonna have my divorce rate here. All right, and I forget, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have 45 total in my frequency. And then my relative frequency I'm going to have here. Not a slash. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to break up my data into intervals. Okay, so the smallest possible value, let's see, we got 2.4. So something, you know, so we got 2.4, that's my minimum. My maximum, we got a 5, 6. Is that my biggest one? Yeah, so we got 2.4 to 5.6. So I'm going to break up my data. I'm going to make it between 2 and 6. And I don't want to just have 4 groups. So I'm going to break it into, and it's going to be my class, what's called my class width will be 1/2 or 0.5. I have it over here too. So these are my classes. So my first one is going to be basically, it's going to be 2 to 2.5. All right, so my next group will start at 2.5. So rather than start right here at 2 to 2.5, I'm going to say that 2.5 is going in this group. So this is going to be everything 2.4. I mean, you could think of it as this, but since it's only in 2 decimal places, it's 2 to 2.4. And so here we have one of those guys. That's it. And the next group is going to be from 2.5 to 3, but 3 is going to go in this group, so this is going to be a 2.9. And so basically we're going to go down. So 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. And these will be just 0.1 less than the next group. So this is going to go to 3.9. This is going to go to 4.4. This is going to 4.9, this is going to 5.4, and this is going to 5.9. So the interval width is actually 1/2. All right, so then here there's 1, and I can use, I guess I can do tallies here. Yeah, we might as well. No, I'm just going to tell you. All right, so there's 9 between 2.5 and 2.9. So let me see if I can find them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it helps I already know the answer, but so I can say, okay, there's that. From 3 to 3.4. Let's see what we got. All right, nothing there. 3.2. There's 1. Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 of these guys. Between 3.5 to 3.9. So okay, let's see. That's going to be the rest of the 3. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 4 to 4.4. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 of those. 4.5 to 4.9. Let's see, what's the rest of the 4s? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 5 to 5.4. So we got 1, 2, 3. That's it. 3 of these. And then we got my 5.6 guy. One of those. So now my relative frequency, I get this by dividing everything by the total. So this is going to be 1 over 45, 9 over 45. And this will add up to 1. All right, so 1 over 45, I already did, this is 0.022. This is 0.2. This is 0.178, 0.244, 0.178, 0.089, 0.067, 0.022, and this adds up to 1.000. And let's see. All right, so it may not add up exactly to 1. It might, if I add these up, because they're only rounding to 3 decimal places, they might round up to 0.999 or 1.001, but we know that this is 1. So this should be 1 here, regardless of what this is, because the sum of these is 1.